My name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Our latest update on crypto was that the market will just fly. The crypto market will just fly. Go on my channel, you will see that. And we talked about it since around here, since around there, and since the downfall. I was pretty certain that crypto market is on a bullish cycle. Do not worry about that. And why was that? Weekly scale, we hold the support levels of the bull market. Not only that, stochastic RSI approaching the oversold situation in the bullish market in the weekly scale. Whenever we see that, it is an instant buying opportunity. Right now, you can see that Bitcoin wants to go all the way up higher. Of course, we will meet the resistance level of around 29.7k for now. Maybe around there we see some small correction, maybe a little bit earlier. For example, right here you can see that in the RSI we have a huge risk, right? Okay, in the 4-hour frame I want you to be careful because the 88 on the 4-hour frame is very huge. However, into the daily frame if we go, we can't just pump all the way up more. So do not actually be scared, because even if we have the huge risk in the 4-hour frame, we might be doing something like this. We might even drop to 28.1k and then the 29.7k will come. So the worst case scenario it is to have a small correction in the lower time frames because of the high risk that we are having, but at the end of the day the 29.7k will be inevitable. Now, of course, as you all know, the 32 to 33,000 Tether USD is very likely to come. At this point, I want to remind you to join our monthly subscription Patreon /MindYourCrypto. In the third tier, we have 7 days free trial. Thank you. Let's go right now to 29.29673 USDT, right? So you can see that around here we are having the huge pump and then another huge pump towards the 32 to 33,000. Now, in the 32 to 33,000 Tether USD, I want you to be extremely careful as we have a very huge risk that might take the market down. Okay, so around this area right here, and this is a huge area, I know, but we will see it step by step into the next days. For now though, we have a very huge important resistance level area, 32.5k, 33k and 32k. All right, all these area right here is a huge resistance level. Can we go there? Yes, we will go there. Okay, the crypto market is decisive about that. We are going to get there. We had a green candlestick around there. That's why. And we hold, of course, the bull market support levels for Bitcoin. That's why we are capable of going even higher. It is going to be a piece of cake to go around these targets right there. Of course, you can see in the 4-hour frame we have a high risk, but that doesn't really matter. I'm telling you about that. It doesn't really matter. We have a clear burst in the lower time frames above the 200-day moving average, the 20-day MA crossing above the 200-day moving average, and the 20-day MA, the yellow line, crossing the white line above as well. So we have these two lines crossing above the 200-day moving average, which has been our burden since we are correcting a little bit, but the correction was not something important. And this is what I talk to my audience again and again. Do not worry that Bitcoin is correcting. Even if it goes down to the 23.6k, that's what I had talked about in the previous videos. Even if we go down to the 23.6k, which was not the case at all, but even if we did that, it wouldn't be bad. It would be the worst thing though that could happen, and then we would fly. Okay, so basically, if you accept the fact if you accept the fact that we are in a bullish cycle right now, we are in a bull cycle, we are not in a bear cycle is over. If you accept that fact, then you won't have a problem into buying Bitcoin. Okay, you won't waste any time and you will be buying more and more. I know that it is painful because this whole structure right here was boring, but right now something great is happening. I think that more and more crypto altcoins will follow, but first, of course, it is the king. As you all know, Bitcoin's dominance rising right here. Look at that, and this is why Bitcoin is the king right now, getting the most out of the crypto market, going all the way up to have a plus 10% in just 1 week, almost wiping off all this correction right here. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Now is the time. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.